Just jamming. We appreciate y'all one time.
He loves me. It's special, lit different. Every time he keeps me on my feet, happily excited about me. Your hand used to me.
I let the angel sing his name, cause he takes my breath away. My lips can't do their usual job, so I give them temporary positions to kiss them with things unimaginable. See, he has to believe in fairy tales. The moment is done with his toes curling and stretching, cause we are just warming up. See, he stands for a tough and uses his fingertips to sketch my body to the heavens, whereas my moans, oh my moans begin to sound like angel tones as he parts my passageway between heaven and earth. The master has created a masterpiece, sculpture with the physique of ancient calves that sink in at his playboy tip and ripple down his rampage. You know what happens next? My lion. He roars. Now I remember his vows. How he said there will never be a day he won't use his hands, whether it's to pleasure me or help me stand. He's my stability. I met him at my rebirth, so he helped deliver me. So I unveiled myself so he can discover me inch by inch, height, size, the orbit of my cranium, and how far my eyes are. I'm telling you, this man can tell you the exact weight of my heart. Down to the last ounce of knees. Thoughts make my rivers run deep like we are traveling overseas. See, he says my body is his home. If you take him away, he will fight nature to get back. See, he loves climbing my mountain range because he says it reminds him of the motherland. So he nicknamed this pussy African. See, I told you the imagination goes forward. I'm a lioness and I bow down to my lion's roar, and when my lion begins to lie on my Congo, then create rhythms with each stroke until the earth starts to rumble, I grab a hold to the stiffest thing close to me so I can hang on to this ride. See, he squeezes me tight and whispers in my ear, I will plant a seed so we can grow a strong tree in Africa. See, that night his roots ran deep. I mean, deeper than you ever seen. And a few months later, I gave birth to his dynasty.
See, her eyes are as forbidden as the fruit we tasted. I've surely sinned when I allowed her touch to satisfy my skin. Deep inside lay intentions to multiply, so she has my attention undivided. Naked whispers burying my heart's reply, leaving my mind clouded from God's judgment, fearless from punishment, blissful as ignorance, sinful as scriptures from serpents. I pull my maiden of mirth close to indulge in her scent. My words open her chakras, the keys to her locks. The only commandments I heed are thou shalt live at the knee and succeed. Every drop suck, seed every drop, proceed until it stops. Drinking up the wine from her cup, running over and over and over her spots. Flesh of my flesh, bone of my bone. Sucking the sweetness of your lips that drip like honeycombs. Your breast on my canvas, every moan is just another line to my poem. If only her screams could grant his forgiveness, if only our passion could repeat his compassion, if only our love could repeat his forgiveness. Let the truth be told,